Changing your security settings on Wells Fargo is an important step to ensure your account remains secure. Follow these steps to update your security preferences. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website and enter your username and password to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Before changing your settings, use the SROC link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Update security questions. In the security settings menu, look for the option to change or update your security questions. Select this option and follow the prompts to choose new questions and answers. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication 2FA within the security settings. Follow the instructions to enable 2FA, which may involve providing a phone number or email for verification. Step 5. Review account activity. After updating your security settings, check your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Wells Fargo immediately. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Wells Fargo account and protect your personal information. Always remember to regularly review your security settings to stay safe.